Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Trishit Saha and I am a travel vlogger. And today I'm going to tell you about the software known as Premiere Pro because I edit my videos in that. I'm actually starting a tutorial series in which I'm going to tell you how to edit basic videos. And yeah, if you're starting with YouTube, you can just use that. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you a little overview about the software, which is Premiere Pro. I prefer Premiere Pro because it feels much more professional than Final Cut Pro for Mac users, and like for Windows users also they can use Premiere Pro. So I'm going to tell you about the overview of the Premiere Pro in this video. So there are many things in that actually. Like many advanced things are there, but we don't need everything. For a basic video, we don't need everything in that. We just need to know only few things. That is how to cut, how to paste, then how to sync with audio and video. That's it. That's the most important thing there. How to import the videos, all those things I will tell you now. So let's just go to my computer here and I will show you how it's done. So this is the starting screen of the Premiere Pro. Here you can get what all projects that you opened since last few days, the last projects, and here you get the new project, open project, like that. So if you want to create a new project, just click on this new project and here you can give the name. The name which I can give here is, for example, test sample, right? Rest you can just press OK. So it takes a little time to open this, and then here see we have this 4 partitions here. These are all different things that we have. So here we get the source, effect controls, audio clip mixer, metadata. Here we get the media browser from where we can get the media, and here we have the timeline. And this is the rendering screen. So I showed you how to create a new project. Now I will tell you the overview of this software. So the basic thing here is the file menu, which contains where you can just create new project or new sequence. Then we can open projects from here. These are the basic things you will get in any software. After that we have Windows. In Windows we can just take up different types of windows. For example, audio clip mixer, captions, effect controls, history, markers, media browsers, whatever these 4 things that you can see here, these are all the windows, and you can get it from this menu very easily. If you just click here, it will show you that. So the first overview that will go is this media browser. This media browser is actually the place where you can give different medias, like you can import different medias. So for importing that, one thing you can do is, there are actually 3 to 4 ways that you can do, whatever feels easy for you. So first way you can do is you can just go to this media browser, and from here you can go to local drives. Like I have my files in Macintosh HD, from there Trishit Saha, from there my stuff, vlogs. Then in raw folder I have this Thailand GoPro videos. Okay, I'll just right click on this and just click on import. So my files are imported. If I double click on this, I'll get all the files. Now the second way here is you can drag and drop your folder. For example, if I just delete this and if I go to my finder, here I have this Thailand GoPro, right? So from here I can just drag and drop and it will import. This is another way. Or else what you can do is you can just drag and drop every video from here if you don't want folder. But I will recommend that folder is very useful because it will help you in classification of different videos. For example, I have GoPro folder, then again if I have a DSLR folder, then I can import that. So like in that way I can just distinguish between the videos. Even I can just drag here and I'll get all the videos. And the last way to do is doing this is you can just import one by one video whichever you want to use. For example, I want to use this video, so I can just drag and drop. But if I don't want to use the next video and after that I have to use this one, so I will just skip this video and then drag this. So in this way your memory space will also be saved, because it saves your video temporarily in a cache file. So yeah, it will be much more helpful for you. And with this media browser, I also have this project test sample. This is the project name, right? From here you can go and just drag and drop this to your media, so it will just show like this. Right. Also in this section we have got libraries, information, effects, marker, history. So the basic thing that you need here will be effects, that you can see. Here you can get different presets, like I have color grading presets, and then you can have audio effects, different audio effects that I will tell you in my later videos. And then we can have transitions, audio transitions, video transitions. So that thing we get in this section. So the next section here is source. Source is also another important thing, because if I go to this project and if I just want to drag and drop this, for example I delete this and I just want to drag and drop this thing. So here you will notice that you will get the video and audio together. But if you want to add your own audio and don't want this audio, you cannot delete it from here. Like if you delete this, everything will get deleted. So what you need to do is you just have to take this file from here and drop it at the source. So in this way you can just see like which part of the video you want. For example, this is the mark in and this is the mark out in this section, in the source section. So if I just want to mark in here, I just play this and see where it is going, and I just mark out. And if I do the mark out, I can just drag this video from here, or else I can just drag this audio. And if I don't want to add this audio and add my own music, I just can delete it. So this is a very important thing for source. So here you can get to know is mark in, mark out, and this play button. The other thing you don't need it for now. For the basic editing, you just only need this mark in, mark out, and this play stop toggle. The next thing in this section here is effect controls. Effect controls is the place where you can add different effects to your video. For example, if I click here and if I go to effect controls, you can just position your videos like this, or else you can just go XY direction. Also you can scale your videos, so you can add different effects. Like you can use this toggle animation button and you can just create your own animation. This will also I will cover in my next videos, so yeah, stay tuned for that. So these different things, rotation, anchor point, opacity, this all thing you can add from this effect section. You don't have to bother about the audio clip mixer for now. Okay, the next section that we get to know is the timeline. This is the timeline from where you can just paste your videos, and you can just cut your videos, or you can basically edit your videos. So if I just drag this video from here to here, you can see that in the timeline. I can just drag my audio from here. So this timeline is actually the place where you can sync your videos and audios. Here you can see it's V1, V2, V3, like 3 tracks you have for videos and 3 tracks you have for audios. Also you can add your track if you want to this add track. You can just do this thing, or else you can just add a audio track. You get an audio track like this. Also you can, here you can see the time 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute 15 seconds, like this. So you can get to know how long is your video. Beside this, you can see the tool window overview. Here also just two basic things that you get to know is this selection tool and the cut eraser tool. That means it cuts the video and this selects the video. Nothing else you need for now. That will go in my advanced lessons. For now you just have this eraser tool and this selection tool. Selection tool is for selecting the videos and eraser tool is for when you want to cut your video or audio if you want to cut. And the last but not the least, the section that we have here is the rendering window. Here your video renders, like how does it look actually. If you want to add effects or whatever videos you're adding, you can just look up here. So this will play like this in this. So this is another section where you get to know about your videos, like what all effects it's coming, how you need to cut the videos, everything you can see in this rendering window. Here also we have this mark in mark out that will be used for exporting the video at the end, and this is for the play and play stop toggle. One more thing to notice here is this is the quality of video. Full quality, half quality, 1/4 quality, 1/8 quality. So if you just reduce this quality, it will render faster. So these are the basic 4 things for Windows that you actually need. So that's how you will just add your videos here. You can just drag your video and audio from here. Just drag your videos and drag your audios. Then you can just merge your content. You can add your own music. You can even import your music from different location. You can just import it here. For example, if I go in for an music like this, you can just import and you can use this music in this audio section. Remember that to drag it in the audio section, it will not get dragged in the video section. You can just add your audios from here. So this is the basic thing, and after you have completed this, if you want, you can cut it. Also, one shortcut I can tell you for selection tool, it's V. Yeah, as you can see in this selection tool, it's V, and razor tool, it's C. V and C. So you can use this shortcut. So after you completed adding your different videos and audios, you can just cut it here. You don't require the extra. Just mark it from the beginning and at the end. After marking this, you can just go to this file and you can export to media. Now in this export settings, I will create a video in detail for export settings, what settings you need to use. For now, you can use the default setting what you will get here. H.264 is MP4 file, and you can get the output, what output you are going to get, and you will know the source. But this should actually match. After that, you can just click on export. So guys, this is the basic overview of the software that I use, because many people have asked me personally and outside also that which software do you use, how do you edit your videos. So I'm going to create a complete series for that, but for now I just gave you this overview, like what is this software all about, what all things we have in there. So yeah, this is the basic things that you need to know in this. If you want to know about the advanced things, that will be done later, but for basic video editing, this is more than enough, and you can just edit your videos very easily using this controls. So I hope that you liked my video, and I hope that it will help you in future for editing your videos. So guys, if you like my content, then do hit that like button and comment down below what you want to learn, what you want me to make videos about this, about any tutorials or whatever, Photoshop or this Adobe Premiere Pro, any more advanced features. Also do subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to know more about this type of content. So see you in my next video. Peace.